Hi friends, thank you for joining me today. My name is Andrea and I've spent a lot of time over the last few years trying out and recreating some of my family's favorite dishes. Wings are a popular item in our household. One way we prepare wings is with fish sauce. If you're not a fan of fish sauce, don't worry, they don't end up tasting like fish in the end. Instead, they taste savory with hints of sweetness and garlic. Using an air fryer helps to make them crispy on the outside and tender and juicy on the inside. And topping it all off with fried shallot, garlic bits, and chopped chili peppers adds a bit of crunchy onion flavor and spiciness to the dish. So you can adjust the spiciness and crunchiness to your personal preference. This was actually an idea that popped up when we were having a deep fried squid dish at dim sum the other day. So let's get started. First, peel and smash 6 cloves of garlic. Then thinly slice 1 shallot. In a large plastic bag with a zip top, combine the garlic and shallots with 1/4 cup of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Mix until combined, and then add the chicken wings. Let the wings marinate overnight or at least 2 hours. When your wings are done marinating, place the wings in your air fryer basket evenly spaced apart in a single layer. If you have a small basket like this one, you'll have to air fry your wings in batches. Set the temperature to 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit for 16 to 18 minutes. Repeat until all your wings have been air fried. Alright, while the wings are air frying, let's get the fried shallots and garlic ready. Mince 1 shallot and 3 cloves of garlic. Chop up 1 chili pepper. In a bowl, combine the minced garlic, shallot, and chili pepper together with 1/8 teaspoon of vegetable oil and a pinch of salt. Stir together. Heat 1/2 cup of vegetable oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the oil starts looking shiny, turn the heat down to medium-low and add the garlic, shallots, and chili peppers and fry until they start browning, about 2 minutes. Remove them and let them cool for a couple of minutes. Then add in the garlic and shallots and chili peppers and continue to fry for another 3 minutes and remove onto a paper towel lined plate. They will continue to brown as they cool. If you want an extra kick, add in some extra chili peppers while you're frying. Serve your fried shallot mixture in a bowl next to the wings. Here it is, friends. The skin will be crispy and the meat will be fall off the bone tender. The wings will be super savory and you can control the spiciness and crunchiness further by changing the amount of crispy shallots in each bite. Thank you again for joining me today. If you tried out my recipe, please leave a comment below on how it turned out. I'd love to know. If you enjoyed my video, please click the like button and also consider subscribing for more fun food ideas. Until next time, friends.